Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Kelvinator refrigerator ice container. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new ice container. The ice container holds the ice from the ice maker. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Once you have the door open, we can reach in and take the ice container out. All you have to do is grab it and pull it out. Here's the old ice container next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new ice container in, all you have to do is line it up and push underneath the ice maker. Once you have it in, you can close the freezer door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.